As COVID fatigue has set in, some individuals and businesses have unfortunately started to become more lax at the very worst part of the pandemic.
Governor Hogan issuing a strong warning. Now is not the time to be relaxed. For 19 straight days, Maryland has now seen more than 1,000 new cases of the coronavirus, and some hospitals have reached capacity. Thank you for joining us at 5. I'm Nicole Baker.
And the Carter, just moments ago, the governor wrapping up a news conference where he begged people to stay home for Thanksgiving to try and get this virus under control.
Now, this is coming as the Ravens are dealing with another COVID-19 outbreak. WJZ has extensive live team coverage for you tonight, including what you need to know if you are leaving home for Thanksgiving.
Let's begin with WJZ investigator Mike Helger with more from Governor Hogan. Mike.
Vic, Nicole, the big announcement from Governor Hogan is added police presence, a crackdown on COVID-related restrictions. He said you're going to see visible state police presence at many communities across Maryland as they try to tamp down on violators.
There is widespread community transmission in every corner of our state.
While Governor Larry Hogan detailed how bad the COVID case surge has gotten, he says he's also focused on enforcing the restrictions.
Businesses and individuals who blatantly violate the public health orders and refuse to follow state law are not only willfully endangering themselves, but their family, friends, and neighbors as well.
Hogan announced an all-hands-on-deck enforcement initiative in partnership with Maryland State Police, with visible patrols in business districts statewide.
Additional state troopers will be assigned in every single county to work in partnership with county leaders, county health departments, liquor boards, licensing and permitting departments, as well as municipal and county law enforcement agencies.
Anne Arundel County's executive wants the governor to close all indoor dining. He also spoke to WJZ about the difficulties teams have faced enforcing the laws.
Our women inspectors have had the most harassment, and so we've had to send men with them. And then when they have to ask a business to close, they call the police to join them to do that. It's not easy work.
Governor Hogan also warned against large Thanksgiving gatherings.
The Wednesday before Thanksgiving is often a night where kids come home from college. They go out to bars to drink and socialize before then celebrating the holiday, sometimes with older family members. I cannot stress enough how reckless that behavior would be this year.
And the governor says on Wednesday at 5 o'clock, most of us will get an alert on our phones reminding us about the dangers of these large gatherings. There's also a new hotline to report COVID violators. Reporting live, Mike Helger, WJZ.
Mike, thank you. Howard County tonight also adding some more restrictions. Starting this Friday at 5 p.m., only a max of 10 people will be allowed to gather indoors. 25 people for outdoor events, things like weddings, recreational sports, and any social clubs.
However, this does not include retail stores, restaurants, and religious gatherings and theaters. County Executive Calvin Ball is also urging people to cancel their Thanksgiving travel plans if they haven't already.